Hi friends, welcome back to Mangalorean Taste Buds by Asha. Today I'll show you how I make red chili chutney. One of our favorite chutneys to go with dosas and idlis. This chutney gets its bright color from the dried red chilies that also gives it a nice spicy flavor. In India, chutneys can either made alongside pickles that are matured in the sun for up to 2 weeks and kept up to a year, or more commonly are freshly made from fresh ingredients that can be kept a couple of days or a week in the refrigerator. In South India, chutney powders are made from roasted dried lentils to be sprinkled on dosas or idlis. Peanut chutney can be made wet or as dry powder. Some do mix these chutneys with rice and have. Chutney are very simple and easy to make. They hardly require a few ingredients which are easily available in our pantry. I prefer giving tadka to my chutney. In case you want to avoid the extra oil, you can always avoid it. So let's check out the ingredients. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. If you like this recipe of mine, do give a thumbs up and click the like button. If you have tried this recipe, please leave a comment in the comment section below. So let's get started. Here I have taken around 5 red chilies, 5 to 6 red chilies. They are not very spicy, just dry roast them. This is 3/4 cup of grated coconut, 5 garlic flakes or garlic cloves, small piece of tamarind, 2 green chilies and 2 tablespoons of roasted chana dal. Mix everything and grind it with a little water. Don't make it very runny. It should be a nice fine paste. Add salt as per taste. You can add salt while grinding or after grinding also. In a tadka pan, take coconut oil as required. You can use any other oil of your choice, but I prefer coconut oil for my chutneys. Add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and a few curry leaves. If you wish, you can skip the tadka altogether. This chutney is best served with dosas, idlis or with vadas. Adjust consistency of the chutney as per your liking. For idlis, you'll have to make it a little on the watery side, but for dosas, you can keep it a little on the thicker side. Pour the tadka over the chutney. These chutneys are best served fresh. I do not keep it in the fridge. So make it as much as required and finish it off. I hope you like this recipe of mine. Do give it a try. I'm sure you too will enjoy this yummy red chili chutney. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And do not forget to click the bell icon to get notified as and when I upload a new recipe. The list of ingredients is given in the description box below. So my dear friends, hope you have enjoyed this quick and yummy recipe. Stay tuned for more such interesting recipes. Till we meet again, check out my other recipes at Mangalorean Taste Buds by Asha. Bye. See you soon with a new interesting recipe. Take care.